Hi, I'm Greg with ProTang. I'm going to show you how to install a ProTang device into a car. So I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on how you calculate which size ProTang device you need, as well as step-by-step instructions on how to install into each vehicle. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to determine what style engine you have here. Here we have a 2017 Volkswagen Jetta Sport, which has a turbo engine. Anything with a turbo is going to need one of our HD models, which for higher heat. So first thing I do is I take and I measure the amount of cubic meters we need to protect. So it's 133 centimeters by 66 centimeters by 57 centimeters. So then you take your calculator and you go 133 by 66 by 57 equals, sorry, that was a glitch.
It's good. Just shut off.
Is it back on?
Yeah, just go.
166 by 67 by 56 equals, you divide that by 1,000,000, and then you divide that by 2. And that means we need to protect this area by 0.311 cubic meters. So then I go over and I choose a ProTang device. You will see that in our HD list, to protect 0.33 cubic meters, we would then need the HD1, which protects up to 0.4 meters cubed. I then grab my ProTang HD1 model, evaluate the size and where I'm going to need to locate it, take my thermal camera. My car has been running for 8 minutes. I go to my thermal imaging and I pinpoint the hot and cooler spots of the vehicle. You will see that in the front of this car is the coolest. We're at about 115 degrees Fahrenheit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to locate how to install into the cool area, which is the front half of this engine, as well as the natural intake of the air when you drive your vehicle will cool it down as well. So I see that I need to use these. The front end of these is the easiest way to install it, because remember, our ProTang devices need to be installed above the engine because our extinguishing agent is heavier than the air. So I'm thinking I'm going to use 4 devices for 1,000, and I will use these 4 clips here because that will get us into the area where we need to be protected. So what I do is I take my little devices, I will carefully loosen these up. Remember, every car is going to be a little different. I slide in the hole and through, and I'm setting up my zip ties. Now we'll repeat this process and get back with you in a minute.